So I believe I have given you a reasonable introduction to Solidity, and we've got a better idea of gas and transactions. Now I want to start building more complex applications. The first thing we will have to do in this next phase is get a lot of Ether to work with on the Rinkeby test network. Remember, doing anything is going to take some amount of Ether. Luckily, on Rinkeby, we can easily request more Ether for testing purposes. In the past, you saw that I used this Rinkeby faucet, but there is another faucet that will give me dramatically more Ether. And I'm going to walk through the process of walking through that faucet to get a lot more Ether. The other faucet, this one here that you've been looking at, is a bit trickier to use, so that's why I didn't use it before. So in order to use this test faucet, you have to create a new post from either a Twitter account, a Google Plus account, or a Facebook account that contains our account address. And so what you would do is you would do something like go to that account, and then you paste a link to that social networking post, um, and then request. You can go back here and request up to 18.5 Ether. So this is more involved. They want you to use a social networking account just to keep people from spamming and getting so much Ether and bogging down the network. I'm going to assume you probably already have one of these social networking accounts. So I went into what I did, and you can use either one. Again, if you want to do Google Plus, I went into Twitter. Um, and then what I did was I clicked here on the Rinkeby test network and the three little dots on the top right-hand corner. And then I did copy address to clipboard there. Um, and I copied the address to the clipboard. And then I went and I pasted it in the tweet. And even though I've gotten 14 new tweets since then, that was 9 minutes ago, you can still see it there. I didn't want to change that. So you could see I already went through this process. Then what I did is I clicked on the top right upside down caret and clicked on, I did copy link to tweet. And then I went back and I pasted it into the Rinkeby authenticated faucet here. And you could see that this is Twitter. This is actually my Twitter handle. And this is the tweet. And then pasted this into the input bar of the Rinkeby authenticated faucet. Then I clicked on Give Me Ether and ensured that I selected 18.75 Ethers. And then I waited to get funded. I can't do this again. I've already gotten funded. I can't do it again um, because you can only do this every 39 hours. This is, again, to avoid spamming and stuff and people loading up on Ether and bogging down the network. So then what you do is you open up your MetaMask again, and then you make sure that you're on the Rinkeby test network, and I am. And then you should see the 18.75 Ether, just like I have there in your Rinkeby test network. And you should be good to go. Now, please take this opportunity as well to make sure that you're running at least version 8.0.0 of Node.js, and you can check your current version by running the command node-v at your command line. If you're running an older version than 8.0, you can easily update it by grabbing an updater, and you can go to nodejs.org to find out more information on how to do that. I'm not going to go over that in this video. In fact, this is the end of the video, and in subsequent videos, I'll actually start going over, developing some newer applications using this Ether, and I will see you then. Thank you.